Next two are basically very important. That is object snap tracking. Object snap tracking. Basically, we say that tracking lines. Just we say that tracking lines. Name is object snap tracking. 8th point is name of it is object snap tracking. Object snap tracking. But no one says such a large name. Snap tracking. We just say tracking. We just say tracking. Object. We do not say objects. Basically, this is used to trace something. Trace something means you are going to create a I should have to turn off ortho mode, so I will turn off ortho mode, then ortho mode will be hidden. So if I want to create some circle, I have created some circle. If you want to create some line from here and you want that it should be in the line of center, then it is clearly observable that you are seeing here a horizontal green color line. Horizontal green color line is showing that you are in the line of the center. Basically, that is showing you how to track the center. So that is called tracking. Green color highlighted line shows you that you are in the line of the center. If you go to the bottom side or upper side, then a vertical green line will appear. Green color line. So this is providing you track of the center. Where is your center? So this provides you help during creating some sketches. Suppose you want to create a rectangle. I created a line, second line, and if you are coming here, then where is the point you don't know. But if you want to come in line with this point, then you will go to here and it will show you that this line is here. You can come in line of this and then will click here. So you can create your rectangle without knowing the point here. It means this tracking shows you several helps that you are in line with the center, you are in line with particular point. A green color help line appears. It means object snap tracking is a green line helping to track. For beginner, it should be on. But if you have multiple, suppose you have 20 objects in the screen, then this tracing will provide you several lines. If you are getting 20 green lines, then it will be confusing. Suppose if I created several objects, suppose I have created multiple circles and multiple lines, I have created very much things. Now if you see, if I start drawing, then it will be one helpline here, one helpline here. You will be confused which one is choosing. You are seeing a plus button at the centers. It means plus button is here active, plus button is here active, plus button is. It means you can choose any of these points. If there are 20 objects, then you will get 20 helps, and 20 help will cover up your drawing. It means when the complex drawing is under process, then you should be needing to turn off this tracking. So for beginner it is on, but if you are expert, and you are creating complex drawing, then you can turn it on and off as per your convenience. It provides you help. Basically, it provides you green color line to track some point, some corner, some center, some edge, etc. That is tracking. After that, one more is important, that is tracking. You should turn it on or off as per requirement. Green color helpline. After that, ninth one is important, that is called object snap. One very interesting thing I want to show here. If I select all, Control A for selecting all, delete button for deleting all. If I turn off this object snap, I am turning off object snap. If I turn off an object snap and create a line here and pressing escape, line is created, just 2 lines. And if I attempt to create the second line on the end point of it, I want to join these two, second line I want to join with the end, this end. Then if I attempt to connect this point, whatever attempt you do, you will not be able. I have clicked here, created a line. Now you are seeing these are joined, but if I zoom here, then these will not be connected. If I select the line command once again, then you can go and make every effort to join. But if I zoom it, then these two will be disconnected. It means you cannot draw two connecting lines. You can attempt infinite times. It means if object snap is off, then you cannot connect two lines. You can attempt infinite times also. If I zoom out that, you are seeing that line is connected. Zoom out that, you will be seeing that line is connected. But if you zoom there, then that will be disconnected. It means if you want to join two lines, or if I create a circle and I want to draw a line from its center, then whatever attempt you made, you will not be able to catch the center. It means point to point matching is very tough. You cannot. Basically, you cannot. It is impossible to join 2 points without using object snap. So for this, object snap is used. So if I say object snap, that is called object snap, but in short we say that O snap. Object snap, but in general we will be saying O snap. Basically, what occurs, it is impossible to connect two lines or find the exact point. Find means clicking the exact point. Clicking exact point. It means you cannot find exact point during sketching. For helping this, we have created object snap, O snap. It will show you a rectangle, a different type of icons will be appearing there. If I turn on this object snap and once again I go to drawing a line, then when you will go to here, then a green color rectangle will be appearing. A green color rectangle will be appearing. It means there is a point. If here is a point, if I want to show you outside the AutoCAD, if it is a point, you cannot grip it. But if I create a rectangle around it, then you can click here, you can click here, you can click here, you can click here. It means in this rectangle, wherever you click, in this rectangle, wherever you click, it will catch this point only. It will catch this point only. It means this rectangle is provided you this much space. Point dimension of point is negligible, and negligible space you cannot grip easily. Point is negligible. But when you draw a rectangle around it, then the negligible dimension is now has dimensions. You can click here, you can click here, you can click here, you can click here. It will be capturing this point only. It means this rectangle is providing space where you can click. Not only the rectangle, there is one more symbol that is called midpoint, that will be represented using triangle. This also is providing you space to capture this point. So there will be several types of object snap symbols. This will be showing you center. This will be showing you node. It means object snap has several types of symbols. If you want to check them, then a small arrow is just next to that. If you click that, then you will be getting a list. End point using rectangle, midpoint, center, geometric center, node, quadrant, all these are snapping points. If you go to the setting, object snap setting, I will select all. Don't worry about its setting now. I will be discussing this in separate video. You can see a list. End point is rectangle, midpoint is triangle, center is circle, geometric center is circle, node is circle with cross, quadrant with. So these symbols will be appearing on the screen. And if this symbol is appearing, you can create a line, and after that second line, if rectangle is, you can go from here to here. It means it is providing space here to here. When rectangle is appearing, wherever you click, it will capture end point only. Click here. Now the line is joined. You can zoom as much you want, but line is joined. It means capturing the point is possible only when object snap is on. So for the beginner, I recommend that object snap should be visible always. For the beginner, it should be on. For the beginner, it should be on. There are several things you can turn off during sketching process. It means a small arrow button you can turn off, because if all these are on, then it will show every one of that. So there will be a rush. Rush means there will be several icons at the same time. But if you need only one, if you want to choose center only, then turn on center from here, then it will capture the center only. So you can turn it on and off by ticking it. Midpoint on, geometric center on, node on, quadrant on, intersection on. If these all are on, then during complex drawings it will be hard. You will be clicking a line and you will be finding end point here, end point here, end point here. If you zoom that, then which end point is gripping, you will not be able to detect. So sometimes you need to turn that off also. So object snap basically provides you easily grip some point, that is midpoint, end point, center point, quadrant. All these are to grip for creating your geometry. So it is very important for you. Object snap should be on. Now one more thing is line weight, but that is not required now. Transparency in 3D, when I will create a 3D object, line weight will be covered creating a line. It means almost we have covered everything which is needed to start with 2D. It means only these 9 things are required to start with your 2D sketching. So this was the introduction to the task pane. We will be covering all these topics as it is required. So these are major commands in the task pane for the 2D. Now I will turn on commands which are needed. Coordinate should be off, model space should be on, grid should be on, snap mode should be off, infer constraint should be off, dynamic input should be on, ortho mode should be on, polar tracking should be on, isometric drafting should be off for now, object snap tracking on, and I will hide line weight, I will hide transparency, I will hide cycling, I will hide 3D snap, I will hide dynamic. Remaining all things I will hide. It means only things that we have covered that will be on screen. Everything other than that I will be hiding from here. We will turn on as we required. So only these icons are required for now. But as a beginner you can turn on everything also. You can turn on everything, and we have covered only first 10. So you should know we will be using only first 10. For the convenience of a beginner, I have turned on everything, and first 10 will be useful for us. So we will be using that. So this was basically introduction to the task pane. We will be start sketching from the next lecture. It means we have reached to the threshold where we can start our drawing procedure.